I've made over $300,000 in the past month just by creating and launching my own meme coins. If you want to learn exactly how I did it, just make sure to watch until the end of the video because I will be ungatekeeping everything in this video. Now, I'm gonna be 100% honest with y'all. You guys have to stop trading meme coins because you will eventually lose all your money, because the people who are making the most money out of these projects are the people who are creating and launching these coins. They can simply remove the liquidity whenever they want and they can walk away with thousands of dollars every single time. The point I'm trying to make is that you have to stop trading meme coins and you have to start creating them. By creating these coins, you can essentially remove the liquidity whenever you want and you can walk away with thousands of dollars, and also you have nothing to lose. The only thing you have to lose is your time. I've personally made over $200,000 in the past month just by doing this method, and bro, it's fully repeatable and it's fully automatable. You can make so much money. But obviously this is for educational purposes only and entertainment purposes only, so this is 100% AI and fake. But yeah, now it's time to cut all the bullshit and to head straight to the point. Now, to create and launch your own coin, you want to come to launch tokens.fun. Didn't write that well. Launch tokens.fun, and on this exact website you will be able to launch and create your own coin with no coding required, and the coin will be launched on the Raydium DEX. So if you don't know already, Pump.Fun is too saturated, so we will not be launching a coin here. It's too saturated, the market caps aren't high enough, and it just doesn't work anymore. So we have to launch our coins on the Raydium DEX, because if I go on Raydium, look at the market cap: 70k, 9 million, 7 million, 10 million, 50 million, 6 million, 3 million, 300,000. But if I go on Pump.Fun, yeah, it's really bad. 30k, 5k, 15k. Okay, the point I'm trying to make is that you have to be launching coins on launchtokens.fun if you want to maximize your profits. Now, you have two different options into making the coin. You can either make it manually here by putting the token name, token symbol, and token image. So for example, boom, 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 I would put an image. After that, I would do next, and yeah. But if you are lazy like me and you want to make some money with no marketing required, and you want to make some gains constantly, well, you could come to the copy coins feature right here, and you can duplicate and replicate any coin that pops up right here. Every single coin here has a good narrative and it's trending and pumping on Pump.Fun, so you will essentially be listing these back up on the Raydium DEX and making way more money than these projects right here. Okay, so I'm gonna create the bird coin right here. It's King of the Hill and it has a $45,000 market cap, so it looks promising. So I'm gonna create coin. Your phantom will pop up, go inside of it. Then a warning will pop up. This is completely normal. Just proceed and continue. It's all normal. Confirm, I understand, confirm. Then your coin should be created shortly. Just be patient. Boom! Now copy here, click on create liquidity pool. But now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain, okay? So here click on your coin. Obviously I've made a bunch of coins in the past. I've made thousands of dollars off each one. Here click on your Solana balance. Here click on max to put 1 billion coins in the pool, and the amount token B right here is the amount of liquidity that you're buying in with your own Solana. I like to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana or more. I'm gonna put 0.5 for the video. You can obviously put less or more if you want. This is the first initial buy inside your coin. Okay, you are not losing this money. After you remove the liquidity, it will come back inside your wallet, so you have nothing to lose. And then click on create pool. Then it should pop up. Just do a little confirm. Then after that, click on refresh. And boom, as you can see, you're already $50 in profit. Now click on view on Photon. And now your coin is live. Okay, it's already pumping a lot. Okay, let's go. This is a good sign because now traction is gonna come in inside our coin. It's already pumping a lot. So as you can see, we have a $44 buy, a $11 buy. Not bad. We're already $50 in profit, a $5 buy. Okay. Some of these are all bot buys, but this is actually good for a coin because your coin is gonna gain traction soon. And like I said, if you want to check your profits, you can come to launchtokens.fun and click on refresh, and here you can see your profit. It's slowly going up. Let's go. And also, if you do not have access to Photon, oh my god, it's pumping. Okay, my bad. If you don't have access to Photon, you can copy here the token address and go on Dex Screener. After that, whoops, I'm gonna give it some time. No, never mind. After that, let's say you want to go inside your coin, you can replace the token address right here with the new one. And as you can see, we see our coin, as you can see here. So yeah. But anyways, yeah, the coin is pumping. Let's go. I like to see it. Oh my god, it's pumping a lot. Yo, this is a good... Oh, it got fucking sold on. Okay, I think if it comes back to this high right here, I'm just gonna remove the liquidity. I could wait longer, but I am too lazy, bro. Oh my god, it's pumping! Okay, to remove the liquidity, come back to tokenfast.fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Come on, come on. Confirm. And boom, we just removed the liquidity, the shit out of this coin. Let's freaking go, baby. And also, if I open my Phantom wallet, $400 is inside my wallet. At the beginning I had like 1 Solana, so that's like $100. So I made $300 off this one coin, bro. This is actually insane. It's the best method out here at the moment. Launchtokens.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. It's the only website that works and that is legit. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address and subscribe, and yeah, bye.